Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Vanee from LEGO Star Wars Terrifying Tales. Starting off, the legs and the cape come from this Luke Skywalker. The hood and torso come from this Knight of Ren. I took a smaller purple cape from the Bartman minifigure, and to finish off, the head and hands come from Gandalf. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to complete it. I think this minifigure has turned out well. I wanted to put my own spin on the character, and I think I've done a good job of that. If you found this video useful, I'd recommend liking it and maybe subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. If you need any other assistance, I'd recommend checking out the full playlist of Star Wars minifigures, which should be on the end screen for you now.